Hey everybody, welcome back to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a very fast pizza dough in this brand new mixer, the Pro Baker 5 Plus from KYS Norway. I've got 545 grams of pizza flour, 355 grams of cold water, 14 grams of salt, and 1 gram of instant yeast. I'm going to take all of my pizza flour and get that right in there. So if you don't have access to pizza flour, you can use all-purpose flour, which is also called plain flour. I'm going to take all of my yeast, get that in there, and then all of my water right in. Close down the mixer. I'm going to get my mixer going. And you can hear how nice this mixer is. It is super quiet. So I've got it at speed 3. Now I am on a very inexpensive table that I bought off of Amazon, and you can actually see it shaking. If you're on a solid table, this machine doesn't move one bit. So I'm just going to move the camera so we can get in a little closer. So at this point, the dough is starting to come together. I'm going to start adding in my salt. And that's it for the recipe. So at this point, I'm going to set my timer for 14 minutes. I'm going to let the mixer mix this up, and then I'll come back. So there we go. That is our 14 minutes. I just wanted to get a nice overall shot of this really nice mixer in action. So that's how easy it is to make pizza dough. I'm going to open up the little cage here. As soon as you lift that cage up, the machine automatically stops. Let's take a look at that dough. There we go. Look at that dough. That is a nice dough. 65% hydration. So I'm going to unload this from the bowl, and I'm going to split it up into my dough balls, and then I'll show you that little portion. Hey everybody, I'm back. So I split up the dough balls, and I got 2 of them exactly at 300 grams each, and the third one is at 303 grams, so spot on for what I wanted, and that is at a 65% hydration. So here's a little close-up of the dough balls. So I have sprayed the container with olive oil, and then also the top of the dough balls, because I don't want them drying out. So what I'll do now is I'm going to leave them here for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take them out of the sun, 10 minutes inside on my counter, and then I'm going to cover them up, and then they're going to go into the fridge until tomorrow. So I'm going to do a 24-hour cold ferment on these, and then I'll use them tomorrow, and then as usual, I'll finish off the video with some photos of the finished pizzas. Hey everybody, as promised, here are some final photos from those doughs that we created in our video. All of the pizzas were baked at 427 degrees Celsius, and that's around 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and all of them were baked in my Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. Bake time for all the pizzas, just under 2 minutes. So a very, very rapid bake time. If you're baking pizza in your kitchen oven at home, you want to aim for about 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's for about 6 to 7 minutes. And 500 degrees Fahrenheit is about 260 degrees Celsius. So a little bit longer on the bake time, but you're going to still get amazing results in your kitchen oven. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. If you want to watch my unboxing of the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven, you can check that out over on my main channel over at Bake Like a Pro on YouTube. So that's it. Again, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.